Hey, it's Raven Jackson with NextHome Family Tree Realty. Welcome and thank you for joining me. Have you ever wondered what's the process to buying a home? How do you buy a house? Well, if you stay tuned, I'm going to talk about the first 3 steps in the process. Finding a realtor. The best way to find a realtor is to get a personal referral. Ask your family and friends. If you're new to the area and you don't have anybody to ask, you can always visit open houses and see if there's a realtor that you click with. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Realtors love it when our clients are interested in the process. Finding a local lender and securing your financing. The best way to find a local lender is to talk to your realtor. They will have several that they've worked with and have good relationships with. You'll want to sit down with that lender and provide them with some documentation they can use to give you a pre-approval letter. You'll need 2 months worth of bank statements. You'll need 2 of the most recent pay stubs and 2 of the most recent years of tax returns. The lender will also need your social security number. If you're not comfortable putting that number into an online application, that's okay. Most local lenders will be willing to sit down with you and take that information from you personally. Now that your lender has all of that information, they should be able to generate a pre-approval letter. Now comes the fun part. You're ready to buy. When you met with your realtor to begin with, they should have asked you some questions about what kind of home you're looking for. Single story, 2-story, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, what things do you need in a home, and what things would you like to have? Buying a house can be a complicated process, so don't be afraid to ask your realtor lots of questions. Finding your dream home isn't an easy process, and we understand that. It's gonna take some time, and we're here for you. In this video, I've just scratched the surface on what it takes to buy a home. So stay tuned. Next video, we'll talk about the next steps. If you like this video and you'd like to see more information about buying and selling real estate, please subscribe and ring the bell so that you can be notified when I upload new content. I'm gonna put a link in the description box below where you can go to search for homes in Solano County. And hey, by the way, I'd love to be the realtor that you choose when you buy and sell a home. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.